Yes, students. Now the next concept is distance formula. Okay. Now we'll consider xy plane. So draw the figure. Let us consider the xy plane. Okay. This is x-axis. This is the origin O. This is y-axis. Y-O, Y dash. It is y-axis. X-O, X dash. It is x-axis. So the coordinates of origin, that is 0, 0. Okay, the coordinates of the origin 0, 0. Now we are going to find the distance between 2 points. That is the distance formula. It is the distance between 2 points. Let us consider 2 points. I will take the first point is P. The coordinates of that point is x1, y1. What are the coordinates of the point P? x1, y1. I will take one more point. That point I will take it as Q. The coordinates of this will be x2, y2. What are the coordinates of Q? x2, y2. Let us join these 2 points. So that is PQ. PQ is the line segment we got. PQ is the line segment. We are going to find the distance between these 2 points. That is PQ we have to find. So PQ, it is nothing but distance between P and Q. Now let us draw the perpendiculars from the point P to the x-axis. PQ, this I will take R. Draw the line perpendicular to x-axis from the point P. That is what PR it is. Now draw one more line which is perpendicular to again same x-axis from the point Q. I will take it as QS. Okay. QS is perpendicular to x-axis. PR is also perpendicular to x-axis. Now let us draw the line perpendicular to QS from the point P. I will take it as T. PT is the perpendicular to QS. So this is 90 degree because PT is perpendicular to QS. This is all about construction only. Okay. Now we got a right angled triangle, that is PTQ. It is a right angle triangle. Right angled triangle. Okay. So we have to write the explanation first. What is the explanation? Let us consider. First you should draw this diagram. Then after you have to write the explanation. Let us consider 2 points. Let us consider 2 points P x1, y1 and Q x2, y2. These are the 2 points we have considered. Now draw perpendiculars PR and QS to the x-axis. This is all about construction. Draw PR and QS. PR and QS perpendicular to x-axis. Perpendicular to x-axis. Okay. Now one more line we draw, that is PT perpendicular to QS. Draw PT perpendicular to, this is perpendicular. Draw PT perpendicular to QS. So that triangle PTQ is right angled at the point what? T. Right angled triangle at T it is. Okay. Now in place of OR, what I can write? In place of OR it is nothing but what? The distance of the point R from the origin. So it means the distance of a point from y-axis. So yesterday in the last class we said, what is that? the distance of a point from y-axis is nothing but what? X coordinate. We can say x coordinate as also as abscissa. Okay, what is that? Abscissa. The distance of a point from y-axis is called what? X coordinate. Therefore, OR length is how much? That is x1. So in place of OR I can write x1. Then in place of OS, what I can write? OS. OS is nothing but what? The distance of a point from y-axis. That is how much? That is x coordinate. Here x coordinate is how much? Here x coordinate is x2. Here the x coordinate is x1. So OS I can write it as what? x2. Right? Then how I can write RS? How I can find it? RS is nothing but, can I write it as OS minus OR? RS is nothing but OS minus OR. OS minus OR. Now therefore RS is equal to OS. How much it is? OS already written it as x2 minus one more OR. OR is how much? x1. Okay. Now we all got these values, OR, then OS, then RS. Then one more I will get the value PR. PR is equal to how much it is? See, PR is nothing but what? The distance of a point P from x-axis. So already we know the definition of y-coordinate or ordinate, you can say y-coordinate or ordinate. The distance of a point from y-axis is called y-coordinate. Y-coordinate, where the y-coordinate of this point is what? Y1. Therefore, PR can be written as y1. PR is equal to y1. Then one more. SQ. SQ is nothing but what? The distance of a point Q from x-axis. Distance of a point Q from x-axis. That is what? Again y-coordinate. Y-coordinate of the point Q is what? It is y2. Therefore, QS is equal to y2. Can I write? The distance of a point Q from x-axis is nothing but y-coordinate. Y-coordinate of this point is y2. Therefore, QS is equal to y2 we got. Okay. Now one more. How I can find QT? I want QT. So how we can find it? QT is equal to, QT is nothing but QS minus ST. Can I write? QS minus ST. Right? Now QS minus ST. QS value is how much? QS already we got it. That is y2 minus ST. See here, by construction ST must be equal to PR. In place of ST I can write as PR. ST is nothing but PR. That is equal to y2 minus PR value. PR value how much it is? y1. So this is y1. So we got QT value as y2 minus y1. Okay. Now this is a right angled triangle. I can apply Pythagoras theorem to this right angled triangle. By Pythagoras theorem, I can write as PQ square is equal to what? QT square plus PT square. QT square plus PT square. Can I write that? It is by Pythagoras theorem. Now we are going to find the distance between these 2 points. That is nothing but what? PQ we want. Here we got PQ square. So I want only PQ, not square. Okay. Now let us substitute QT square first. QT square. QT value is how much it is? y2 minus y1. In place of QT I can substitute it as y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1. Then whole square is the whole square plus. Then PT square. So PT value is how much? PT. Where is that PT? PT. In place of PT, can I write it as RS? So by construction, PT is equal to what? RS. PT is nothing but what it is? RS. So RS value how much? X2 minus X1. Okay. So plus, in place of PT, I can write it as RS square. RS square. Because by construction, PT is equal to RS. Now this is equal to Y2 minus Y1 whole square plus RS square. So RS value how much? X2 minus X1. Now we'll substitute it. So that is X2 minus X1 whole square is a whole square. So this is all about what? It is about PQ square. But I want now here as PQ, not PQ square. PQ is nothing but what? So this will become a square root of, okay, Y2 minus Y1 whole square plus X2 minus X1 whole square. First I will write this term. Then after I will write this, okay. Square root of X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square. Okay. So this is the formula. We should remember this formula. Okay. So this is the formula for distance between 2 points. Okay. Formula for what? Distance between 2 points. Okay. Here we have considered 2 points P and Q. The coordinates of P is x1, y1 and coordinates of Q is x2, y2. So the distance is nothing but x2 square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Otherwise, the same formula you can write like this also. x1 minus x2 whole square, same. Because square is there. If you are getting negative, it will be positive. If you are getting positive, it will be positive only because square is there. Otherwise, you can write it as y1 minus y2 whole square also. Okay, both are same. PQ is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square also you can write. Okay. So first you write this heading, then after you draw this diagram, then after you write this. Okay. So finally, you should remember this formula. So they may not ask this for derivation, but you should remember this formula. Okay. One note. Now here let us take the origin. So in the xy plane, this is the origin. The coordinates of this origin is what? 0, 0. So this is 0, 0. Now we will take any point on this plane. I will take the point P, x, y. So it is any point. So let us join OP. Then now I will ask you, what is the distance between these 2 points, OP? How I can find it? So the distance between these 2 points. Already we know the formula. What is that formula? Distance is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we will take this as first point, x1, y1 I will take this as x2, y2. Otherwise, you can take this as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2. Okay. The same formula will substitute, that is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square. This I will take x2, y2, this as x1, y1. x2 minus x1, x minus 0 whole square, x minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square means y minus 0 whole square, y minus 0 whole square. So this is nothing but under root of x minus 0 whole square, nothing but what? X square plus y minus 0 whole square, nothing but y square. So directly we should remember this formula. This is what? The distance of a point P, x, y from the origin. That is what? Root of square root of x square plus y square. This I can write it as OP. There I have written it as PQ because the distance between 2 points, that is P and Q. That's why I written it as PQ. Here the distance between 2 points O and P. Therefore I can write it as OP. Okay. So directly you should remember this formula. That is what? Now I'll write the note. The distance. Okay. Leave this. The distance of a point. The distance of a point px comma y, the distance of a point px comma y from the origin O, capital O it is. So the coordinates of this point is 0 comma 0 is the distance of a point px comma y from the origin in 0 comma 0 is OP is equal to, directly I'll write this, OP is equal to under root of x square plus y square. Okay, now you write this note. Okay, now we shall discuss some examples for the formula what distance between 2 points. Okay,